It's just another delicious snack idea. I mean, you can even have this as a breakfast or as a brunch, lunch, but it's only 3 smart points. I have a package of Melba toast. I love the sesame flavor. You can get whatever brand you can find in your stores. I got this at the low carb grocery store. 80 calories, 2 smart points, 14 grams of carbs if you're counting carbs, and Hellman mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon for 1 smart point, just a little bit. 2 hard-boiled eggs. If you're on lifestyle, it's 0 smart points. And about a half a cup of some fresh cherries. Any fruit is great. And this is a 3 smart point snack. If you're on Weight Watchers, super delicious, filling, satisfying, and sweet. A great combination. Hope this is helpful for you guys. Continue to subscribe and visit me on my YouTube channel and my Weight Watchers group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa.